Today I'm going to cover how to use our home micro peel. This peel is suitable for a lighter skin tone up to Fitzpatrick 1 to 4, which in real terms means if you're Indian skin or darker, this peel is not for you, but this is perfectly safe for anyone from white to Mediterranean skin and even lighter Asian colours too. Now, the kit contains 2 sachets of aftercare, your very own ISSADA peel applicator, and our micro peel. My first recommendation is get your hair out of the way, so I'm going to do that now. Step 1 is cleanse your face using your normal cleanser. Something gentle is perfect. If you've got a lot of makeup, you might want to do a double cleanse, but I haven't got any makeup on yet today, so this is just a cleanse. Rinse off your cleanser and pat dry. Now you can either apply your peel directly to your peel applicator, or I actually prefer to pump it into a little sauce bottle. These are airless pumps, so sometimes it takes a good few pumps to get the air out before you start to see the product coming. Just keep going until you do. I've pumped out roughly enough to cover a $1 piece, and it's a little bit higher than that. And that's all you need. Using the applicator, just gently apply that to your face. Avoid the eyes, avoid any tattoo areas. So I do have lip tattoos, so I'm going to give those a little bit of a wide steer. All the way, don't go too close to the eyes. Now you might experience just a little bit of tingling. It depends how much active ingredients you've used on your face before. If you're using products such as retinol, you may not feel any tingle at all, or you might just feel a mild tingle. If it really hurts, that's not a good thing and you can take that off. But it's unlikely. This is a very safe peel, as I said earlier. That tingle, I do feel the tingle even though I use good skincare, but that's because I have rosacea. You can see I'm going a bit red. If you do feel that tingle, it should subside within a minute, and there's no need for it to look thick and white. I'm probably putting it on a little bit thicker here just so you can see the technique, but actually a relatively thin covering would be enough. This is for all you girls who can't get into your salon or spa or clinic for a treatment and you want to try one at home. But ISSADA has a whole raft of salon stockists across the country, and if you're interested in having a more advanced peel, then look up on our website and find your nearest stockist. Okay, so that's me done. And typically you would want to leave this for 2 to 3 minutes and up to about 10. Now, even though I have rosacea and I've got very sensitive skin, I can tolerate 10 minutes of this without any problems at all. So again, you know, a bit of test it and see. If it's stingy when you put it on, then use it less time. And if it feels great, then go ahead. I have personally worn this for a lot longer than 10 minutes to test it, because at ISSADA we don't test on animals, but we do test on each other. And I have worn this for probably up to an hour, put on this thickly, and I've been fine too. But I do use retinol, I do use good skincare, I do scrub a lot, AHAs, BHAs, I do the works. So I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes and come back. This peel doesn't need any neutralizer, so when the peel has done its time and you want to take it off, we just wash it off with water. Give it a thorough wash off with just lukewarm water, not hot, and then use perhaps a face cloth or a no traces pad to clean around and make sure you get every last bit off. That's the only important part. Who would benefit from this peel? Well, really everybody. We call it the party prep peel because it gives you a great luminosity afterwards, and you can put makeup straight on top of it and go out. Really good for acne. It's going to help break down the dead skin cells on your skin. It's going to help clean out your pores. It's great for sensitive skins. As I've mentioned, I've got rosacea and I can use this peel, and I do all the time. It's great for mature skin because it's going to also hydrate. It's got hydration properties in it as well. Or just do it because you're having a self-care night in, which is usually the way I use it. So it's done its 10 minutes now. I'm going to just put my face over the sink and wash it off. But you can see I'm a little bit pinker than I was earlier. That's actually less about the peel and more about my skin. So there's two types of what we call sensitive skin. Real sensitive skin tends to have reactions to products or allergies maybe. Rosacea is one of them, which is barrier impairment, and I've definitely got rosacea. I also drink a lot of coffee and refuse to give it up, so I will always have rosacea, but believe me, it's a lot less than it was before. The other type of sensitive skin is what we call reactive skin, where, you know, it's not an allergy, it's just touching your skin makes it red. And that's very common in people as pale as I am. So you can see it's already subsided, it's going right down. Just the action of washing my face makes it really red and it quickly goes away. So don't worry if you saw that redness and thought, oh, did the peel do that? It absolutely didn't, but it could make you a little bit pink. Next step is to apply the Collagen Support Serum, which was provided in your pack. Very generous amount of this. In fact, there's probably enough in both the peel and the aftercare kits to do your neck and your face. I should have thought of that before the video. So I've just applied the Collagen Support Serum to my hands, gave them a good rub together. I've only used half a sachet, which is why I said you can have another. You can see, I'm just rubbing my face and already it's going a bit pink again. But that'll tone down. And I'm going to take that all the way down my neck because I don't want to waste a little bit of it. And even do the back of my hands, which is something I do every day and night when I'm putting my skincare on. Okay, that's right. And we'll just let that soak in for a minute. I put on more than I would do for a normal daily application because I'm just putting this on post peel, so I've just probably put twice as much on as I would normally. This product goes a long way. There's no need to put so much on really. Now we'll go for the Synbiotic Moisturiser. Now our Synbiotic Moisturiser is one of our best selling moisturisers. It is slightly green. I've just popped some out of the sachet onto my fingers. Again, I've probably only used half of what's in the sachet. This moisturiser is ideal for rosacea prone skins, which is why I use it every day. In fact, Jack developed this one especially for my rosacea. So again, I'm just popping that on. It's also good for acne. It'll help minimise your acne. And it's also great for barrier impaired skin and things like psoriasis, eczema, anything where you've got dry skin is great too. But again, I'm just applying that and I've overdone it again, so I'm just gonna rub it down again. The two biggest giveaways of aging are your décolletage, if you don't treat that, and the backs of your hands. So once again, I'm gonna go on the backs of my hands before I finish. And that's my face done. Hope you enjoy your peel.